And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Excuse me. Now, anyway, hi, this is Dino. Uncle Al is really mad right now, so I'll be really careful. Okay, Will said something about Nebraska, and I did a little checking on certain states. All right? Now, you'd be surprised which ones are totally Nazified or democratically controlled. New York State, they just put out, it's a deep blue state, it just put out a red flag and gun confiscation warning. All firearms are to be confiscated in the state of New York. Doesn't matter if it's a 22, shotgun, or assault weapon. Anybody says, oh, I think he's a nut under the red flag laws, take your property away, seize your property, the way they writ by Andrew Cuomo and their friends, the Democrats, if you own anything that goes bang and isn't your finger and thumb, you go to jail. Your whole livelihood is confiscated. Your house, your car, maybe your kids get confiscated. That's New York State. I hope that Greg, New York Prepper, and Matt's A Prepping and Survival, get the hell out of that state. These jokers do not care. If it's an automatic, it's instant search warrant. It's not police, it's their agents, DOJ, Department of Justice of that state. They'll come to your house, they'll have a big armored car with a machine gun pointing to your house. You're going to be on your knees with your hands behind your head, and you don't have any rights to say because they have you registered already. It's full confiscation. They don't care if you're black, white, or whatever. And if you're a black man and you got a handgun to protect your family in a crummy slum area, guess again, it also covers knives. So here you are, hardworking, never hurt anybody person with a simple 9mm to protect your family from the hoods, drug addicts, and crazies out there in your tiny little apartment. Surprise! You're going to get targeted too in New York City because you're black. And it's a very racist law. Remember that. If anybody's out there, I will get a bunch of lawyers and start suing New York State like hell and Andrew Cuomo. That's one racist you could believe. Sorry, Will. Like you, I have bad lungs. And I'm mad as hell. Our prayers to Matt's A and his family. He hopefully gets out of the hellhole uh, of New York. I hope to God he makes it. You too, Greg, a New York prepper. Okay, Washington State on the other side, the other coast. That's really blue. How blue is it? It's so blue that last news report that little lady in Washington State refused to comply. They shot her 47 times, and what she had was a 32 automatic. And why? Because she was in a wheelchair and one of her relatives wanted her property, her house. So the cops with 9mm. No gun was in her wheelchair. She had an oxygen tank and she's partly disabled. And they shot her 42 times. Isn't that wonderful, folks? Democrats that work for you. And that was, you guessed it, Eugene. Oh no, that's Oregon. Uh, Seattle, Washington, one of the suburbs. Ooh. Okay. Little old lady, crippled in a wheelchair, suspected drug pusher. Now she was sick and had so much medication that it looked like she's pushing pills. No, no illegal drugs were found there. They gunned her down. What's next? Shoot Uncle Alan getting off the toilet with a roll of toilet paper? He looks black or African American. Sorry, prepper potpourri. I do get opinionated when they return. The Nazis or the Democratic Party of the United States. Their covers blown. They just call them Nazis. Don't call them Democrats. They're Nazis. Okay? They are doing every level from city to state to federal level to get rid of all guns in the United States by this winter. Okay, that's winter 2019 to 2020. That's the first big change. Okay, second big change is mini skirts coming back in. I have no idea, but it's pretty nice on if you're a leg man. It's like the old early 70s, early late 1960s, early 70s kind of long sleeve, very attractive um, mini skirts. I don't know why. I guess it's a retro thing or something. But at the same time, they're going to try to take away all our guns. Now, the other blue state working at the same time, Massachusetts. No pump actions unless it's a double barrel or shotgun uh, or bolt action rifles. How in the hell a lever action rifle is an assault weapon? I have no idea. Well, they're banning that in 22s. So Massachusetts people, if you're a Democrat, come over to our side or become a independent. Democrats are the new bad guys. Vermont, the same thing. And I never seen a hunting rifle that holds 3 rounds. Okay, 5 and maybe single shots, but never a 3-round with a stop holder. I don't know what the hell they're writing under. I think they're smoking too much. New Hampshire, all handguns, all sporting devices. More than 2 shots are illegal. Great, folks. So I can't use 10 clip 22? No. In New Hampshire law, that's 5 years in state prison. Go shoot rabbits or a rat in your roof? No problem. You're going to prison for the next 5 years. New Hampshire, folks. Remember, those are deep blue states. Now, what I found out was really weird was light blue states. That's in the heavy urban areas. A lot of Democrats and dead cats, a lot of liberals. And this is mostly because of colleges near these big towns. While rural is mostly conservative, Republican, or independent. They don't like these people. Why? Because the urban areas are screwing up the countryside. They're screwing up the rural areas. That's California, Oregon, Illinois, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Connecticut, and Rhode Island. I can't believe it myself, but yeah, they're really getting screwed up. 6 pinko states have, because of influx of liberals and Democrats from other states, because they don't want to pay their own stinking taxes, mostly from California and New Jersey, have successfully invaded other small areas like Washington and Oregon. This is from California, New York, and most eastern states, plus the large influx of illegal. You ask any illegal, they're Democrat. That's Arizona, New Mexico, North Carolina, Texas, Ohio, and Kentucky, all pink states. They do have enough conservative, but they have more liberals and Democrats and illegals coming in every day into those fine states, slowly turning pink. Okay? Sorry, I got a lot of notes. This is what happens when you write down a lot. Sorry, it's going to be a little over, kids. Okay, lightweight states that swings either way. Their political force is they don't vote, leans more liberal in urban centers, less conservative, more independent, or socialist. That's Nebraska, Michigan, Colorado, Wisconsin, Nevada, Pennsylvania, Iowa, Virginia, Minnesota, and Florida. Now, the bad things about this area, these states, especially Nebraska, because it was affected by Colorado, all the urban areas are highly liberal. All right. And it hurts the hell out of surrounding states like Nebraska. Okay. Nebraska used to be deep red, Will. This is Will Russell from Just in Time Prepping. Will is a hardcore Democrat, and he leans more moderate. Whoops. He leans more moderate. But unfortunately, times have changed, and you didn't notice about it. You had problems. You had to take care of your son, kids, girlfriend, ex-wife. Not a problem. Uncle Alan's here. Uncle Alan's got your back. Nebraska, within 2 years, will turn red. I mean, not red, blue. Sorry about that. And what you call it? Colorado is heading that way too. It will turn blue too within the next 5 years. Iowa the same, Minnesota the same, Michigan, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and Florida all will turn blue, like their sister states, New York. Okay, you got to stop these kids. And I forgot to introduce myself. I'm old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Like and subscribe down there. Sorry, I just get mad as hell. Now, DOJ per state is doing gun confiscation. They don't care if you don't believe it. They don't care if you got Bill of Rights or the United States Constitution backing you up. These are all unconstitutional, unlawful, illegal laws that are being passed by the majority, backed by certain corrupt court systems. So you're on your own, kids. Stop the Democrats now, aka the Nazis. Stop the Democrats now. In the House, they have House of Representatives Bill number 8 and HR House of Representatives 1112. Now, whatchamacallit, President Trump's going to veto these bills because anybody with a handgun or a gun, semi-automatic, 22, you name it, that has more than 10 rounds is an automatic criminal. Now, how to stop the Democrats? Call them, text them, email them, protest at their office, write letters, make their lives a living hell. Don't let America become Venezuela, Australia, or worse, Washington and California. Don't let it happen, kids. Anyway, I would do shout outs right now, but I'm mad as hell. My blood pressure, reading my meters, is going off the scale. So anyway, kids, if you can, please do that. Save America. They're back. They're here. Okay? With a little smile. They're here. The Nazis, the Democrats, the socialists, the liberals, Hubble's cat. Okay? You don't want to be on the wrong side of history. That's why I keep telling Hubble's cat, you got to come to the light, come to the good guys, come to the right side. It's all right if you want to be a socialist, but don't become the wrong socialist like Adolf Hitler. Come to the light. Get away from the dark. That's all the Democrats and corrupt Republicans. I don't play favorites. I still got a video I got to do on Robert Burns, a.k.a. the corrupt Republicans. I'm still, between Democrats and Republicans, who I'm mad as hell. I'm more mad at the Democrats than the Republicans. Democrats right here, Republicans right here at my mad level. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later.